Good morning, everybody. Afternoon, evening, wherever you are. And no, this is not a fishing video. I've just purchased this camera that I'm trying to learn how to use. And I'm not very good with these fancy things. This is a Panasonic Lumix FZ80. And the biggest reason I wanted this camera was because of the zoom capabilities. It has a 60x zoom. And it works really good, except for the fact that you really have to have a stable platform, which I don't have it on right now because I didn't want to carry a tripod on this hike. But I can give you an example of what this looks like. It may be a little shaky, but there are some flowers across over there that you probably can't see right now. But they zoom in real good, but you can see the slightest little bit of movement. Now I'm on a treated lumber platform that they've built out to this marsh area from this Lakeside Park, and I've got it on a pretty good tripod, but just any little bit of motion will set that stuff to jittering up and down. So that's what I'm trying to really learn how to do, is use this. But you can see how good of a zoom that is. It's amazing, actually. And it takes really good photos, too. Okay, so this is the camera. Now, if you buy the basic camera, it was like $300. This was from Amazon. And I decided I wanted some of the extra stuff with it, so I ended up buying this kit that cost like $350. With tax, it was $277 delivered to my house. And it came with this good carrying case, has several pockets and stuff on it. 2 extra batteries, a battery charger, a car battery charger, this halfway decent little tripod thing here, 2 32 gigabyte SD cards, came with a shoulder strap, a couple of micro cleaning cloths, a cleaning kit, an SD card reader, just a whole bunch of little goodies. And I'm really happy with it because that extra battery power and extra gigs of SD card is the kind of thing you need if you're like on a vacation out doing a lot of photography and taking some videos. It's something that can last you all day, and then you can charge that stuff back up when you get back to your motel room. So I'm really digging this thing. I just need to learn how to use it. This is a real neat park, this Lakeside Park. Different companies and different people have planted stuff, and they have the names of the plants on there. That goes all the way around on some walking trails and back down that way a pretty good piece. So if you want to, you can hike on paved hiking trail. Or you can go the more natural route. And you know, every time you start filming, there has to be the noisiest truck in the county come by. Remember, this is located close to a town. I'm still checking out the stabilization. And there's this a tree having a, looks like it's had a bad day. Okay, right now I'm checking this wind noise, but while we're doing it, they have a beach area here. I'm out on, I guess you could call it a fishing pier. Over there they have some docks, and there are 2 boat launches. Love with the birds. Are they in love or mad? Looks like my marriage is. Well, here we are, back where we started. So, I took a few pictures along the way. Right now, let's see what this thing does for a selfie. Aha, there's ugly me. Anyway, I really like this Lakeside Park. I like this camera. And it's going to take a little while to learn how to use it. It's not simple like my iPhone. But I'm going to let you go. That's it for the day. Stay tuned for a few practice photos. I think a couple of them ought to be pretty good. So thanks for coming along with me today.